warm up the engine a bit first, then I'll push the car to its limits. Let me connect the boost gauge to the cluster really quick. Alright, let's go for a pull in the third gear. Traffic's not ideal right now. Just listen to that engine. Let's do a little pull in 6th gear. But you can already feel how strong the car is, even in 6th gear. Alright, now let's do a 1st gear pull. The road looks clear. Way over 300, despite the incline. Let's go again. Clear straight, no traffic. Enjoy the pull. 1st gear. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll upload more soon, including daytime ones and some full ethanol pulls, so don't miss it.